When the cooktop is not in use, all components will be switched off. Hold down the on and off button for 2 seconds to turn the cooktop on. A red LED light will turn on above the symbol to confirm that the cooktop is on. If no functions are used within 30 seconds of turning the cooktop on, it will automatically shut itself off. This Smeg cooktop is equipped with 4 burners, 2 single zone burners and 2 dual zone burners. After turning on the cooktop, select the burner that you like to turn on. This symbol here symbolizes the lower left burner, upper left burner, upper right burner, and lower right burner. You can select the plus and minus button to turn the burner on and off and increase or decrease the heat output. To turn on any burner, simply press the plus or minus button of the burner that you'd like to turn on. To turn on the dual burner, simply go up to 9 and go 1 step further. Now you'll see a small period lighting up here at the bottom right corner. And you can see that the outer ring also turns red. You can then go down and select the heat of the dual burner. Some models are equipped with a lock function. Simply press and hold the lock button for 1 second. You are now not able to change any of the settings. To turn the lock function off, simply press and hold the lock button for 1 second. You can turn the cooktop off by pressing the on and off button for 2 seconds. Each burner is equipped with a residual heat warning device. After any burner is switched off, a flashing H may appear on the display. This warns the customer that the concerned cooking burner is still hot. Cooking can be restarted while the LED is flashing.